other bones that are part of our axial skeletal are the ear ossicles. And we have the malleus, incus, and the stapes. We have 3 ear ossicles in each middle ear. Consequently, we have a total of 6 ear ossicles. And we have the right and left malleus, we have the right and left incus, and the right and left stapes. Consequently, the ear ossicles are paired bones. Now, the ear ossicles, as I just mentioned, are found in the middle ear. And if we look at this image, we see here the auricle, we see the external acoustic meatus, also called external auditory canal. Then we have the tympanic membrane, and right here we find the ear ossicles. And if we zoom in, we can see them very well. We have here the malleus, afterwards we have the incus, and the third one is the stapes, right here. Now, what happens is that sound waves will come passing through the external acoustic meatus, and the sound waves will cause a vibration in the tympanic membrane. When the tympanic membrane vibrates, it vibrates the malleus, that vibrates the incus, that vibrates the stapes. And then the stapes will vibrate a window that we find right here at the beginning of the cochlea. Now, when we have this vibration of the ossicles, this causes the amplification of the sound that we are hearing. The ear ossicles are the smallest bones we have in our body, and specifically, the stapes is the smallest out of all bones in our body.